Hey, it's Sam back here. Thank you for coming to this page. Now down below you'll see all of the bonuses and all of the details about Click, Pop, Engage. I'm really excited about this software right here because it's going to help you generate more leads in your business. I remember when the creator, Sam Robinson, came to me a few months ago and said that he wanted to make money online. One of the first focuses that I asked him to focus on was list building. Since then he's done that, and as you can see here on his website, he's actually using a particular piece of technology to build a list for his race car driving. He's a race car driver. Now you can actually use many different pop-ups in your business to help you build your list. This is an example right here of a pop-up that Sam's using to capture email addresses, then redirect his subscribers to wherever he wants around the web. Now this is relevant what you're seeing on your screen because Sam is bringing out a new software called Click, Pop, Engage. It's a software that gives you the ability to create these popovers, whether it's a call to action popover, a opt-in popover, or it's a popover that pops up when someone is actually leaving your website, meaning that you have another opportunity to market to that person. And as you'll know, the more leads that you can generate, the more sales that you're going to make as you build your subscriber list. This works in any type of niche, as you can see from what you see on my screen. And I want to show you a demonstration of this. I actually asked Sam if he would film a video, and he said great. He sent me over a copy of a walkthrough of how this works. And if you want to see the full sales video, you can go down below. So here's Sam with a demonstration of how Click, Pop, Engage works and how it can help your business.
Hey, it's Sam Robinson here and welcome to this demo video of Click, Pop, Engage. So here we are on the landing page. As you can see, you can integrate your GetResponse, Aweber or MailChimp accounts. With Aweber and MailChimp, it's as simple as a click of a button. So I've already integrated my Aweber account here. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you some of the features, and we're actually going to go through making a campaign live, and I'm actually going to put that to Facebook and we're going to test it and check the results in a few days as well, just so you can see that Click, Pop, Engage does work. Okay, so what I'm going to do is firstly I'm going to set up an autoresponder campaign. So this is setting up your mail side of things. So I'm going to add a new one. Cool, and I'm going to choose my Aweber account and click next. Perfect, and I'm going to call this the Sam Motorsport leads, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and build a list today using Click, Pop, Engage. So I choose my list on the drop down box and I want to add more leads to this list. Perfect, so now we've easily added a campaign. Straight into it, we're going to build a pop to put over a website. So I'm going to add new, and I'm going to call this the Sam Ferrari giveaway. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to give away something on Facebook to capture leads, and that's something you'll be able to sell as a service to clients or use for yourself. This is just a short example of how one way you could use Click, Pop, Engage to benefit your business. So here we are in the pop builder. As you can see, a lot of different things to do. We can add text, images, video, button, fields, and code. What I'm going to start off by doing is I'm going to upload a background image. So I'm going to choose the file, and I'm going to select this one. There we go, the image has been uploaded. Now what I'm going to do, now that the image is uploaded, I'm going to change the size of my pop to fit that image. 800 by 400. And I'm going to give it a nice red border. And I'm going to choose the border style. There's a few different styles. I'm going to choose a solid border today. Perfect. So now I've started, I've built the pop to start with. So now I'm going to show you a cool few little things how you could do. You can add a video in. It's as simple as clicking the video button and pasting a YouTube URL in there, and the video will be on your pop. Today I'm not going to use a video to engage my clients. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a giveaway, so I'm going to put an image over the top of what I'm giving away. So I've clicked image and I'm going to upload one. Okay, I'm going to give away a Ferrari jacket, so I've put that on there. I'm going to upload that. Cool, so there's our Ferrari jacket. And I'm just going to resize that so people can see what they're actually going to get. Perfect. Now I'm going to put some text over the other side, and I'm going to call that Win This Ferrari Team Jacket, and I'm going to change the size of the font. I'm going to center the font. I'm going to change the color. I might make it white actually. And I'll make the text bold as well. Cool. And I'm going to put another headline under. Just put your name and email address in the box to the left to be in to win our exclusive Facebook giveaway. Cool. Perfect. So now I've got some text in there. I'm just going to change the size of that text a little bit. So I want to be able to capture leads, so I'm going to put a box in there, and it's just going to say enter your name, same size as the jacket, and then I click on the box button again to get the email box, and I'm going to add a button down the bottom, and I'm going to have the text say pick me Sam. I'm just going to resize this box to match the width of the email boxes, and I'm going to scroll down and change the background color to a nice red color, and I'm going to make the border white. Perfect. So I'm just going to move the Cool, so now I've made my pop, I'm going to save it. And there we go, the pop has been made. So as simple as that. Now we're going to move on to the campaign. This is where we're going to put where we put our pop over. So I'm going to add a new campaign, and I'm going to call this the Sam Motorsport Leads campaign. I'm going to show this pop over an external website, and I'm going to put it over my personal website. Okay, so now that we've put that in, what you can do is you can edit it so it shows up custom how you want it to show up on Facebook. In this case, I'm going to let it just populate it from what it pulls off my website. And so what you can do is you can choose the pop you want to use. So I'm going to choose my Ferrari giveaway one. And then the pop type, you've got a few different versions. You've got pop wait, that waits a certain amount of time before it pops up. You've got last chance, which pops up as they try to exit the page. Got pop up, which we're going to use today, which has it just pop up on the page, and pop fix, which keeps it fixed on the page while the user can scroll up and down. And you can also choose how long you want the pop to show up again after they close it, if they just close it. Now you can choose the position of the pop. I'm going to run with the center, and now I'm going to choose my autoresponder campaign, which is Motorsport Leads. And then you can have them redirect to a URL. In this case, I'm going to have them redirect to my website, or you can just have a simple thank you text, like thank you for entering. The cool thing about being able to redirect them to a URL is when you capture a lead, they click the submit button, you can send them to a sales page. You'll be able to send them to any page you want, where you can now turn that lead into a sale. So now our campaign's finished. We're just going to save it down there. Cool, so here's our campaign here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to share that on Facebook. So I'm going to copy the link address, and I'm going to paste it into my Facebook page here. As you can see, it's populated it all, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say Facebook giveaway. Cool, so now I've pasted the link into my Facebook page and I've written a short blurb to get the people's attention. So I'm going to post that now onto my Facebook page. Cool, now that we've posted that onto our Facebook page, it's going to be out there in the world to see, so we're going to let the sharing power of people engage in it and that do all the work for us and hopefully capture us some leads. What we're going to do is we're going to quickly click through and see the pop in action. Perfect, so there you go, you can see the pop is over the top of my website. So I can enter my details. And into the drawer. And as you can see, it's redirected straight back to my website. As you would use this, it would go back to a sales page or something like that. So it's simple as that. Now what we're going to do while we let that campaign unfold over the next couple of days, I'm quickly going to show you some of the features that are available with OTO1 with the upgrade pack. Okay, so you're going to be able to get analytics. You're going to be able to see, you can see with my one already, we've got 3 views. I've been the only one that's viewed it and I've clicked through once, so we got a click-through rate and everything like that. So you'll be able to use this to justify selling it as a service to a client or just to be able to see how your campaigns are converting. Also, a really cool feature is a pop blocker. So what this does is it seals off certain websites, so they have to enter as a lead to be able to see something. So let's have a look here. Here's an example of a campaign. You want to watch this video, let's click play, and you've got to enter your details. Also, there's an option to have it so it has to share on social media, so you share on Facebook. So this is really another cool feature that's available with the developer rights. Also, the developer rights has the availability to be able to build unlimited pops and campaigns. So hope that's given you a really cool insight of what you can do today with Click, Pop, Engage.